Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Arbaz here. In this video we are going to be discussing about some announcement and channel updates related to the GetSetCoding channel and what you can expect in the year 2021 and what all contents are coming on this channel really soon. So if you're interested in that, so stay tuned with the video till the end. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, do consider subscribing to our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, I have started this channel in the month of May in year 2019, and since then it's been like 18 months and I have posted 49 videos on this channel. And finally we have achieved the milestone of hitting 4,000 watch hours as well as 1k plus subscriber. We have hit that milestone a long back ago, and right now we have 3.6k subscriber, which is 3,600 subscriber onto our channel. And before the end of this year 2020, we want to hit another milestone of getting 5k plus subscriber on this channel. So if you like our content and you can see all the videos on this channel, if you like that, so do consider subscribing to our channel and also share it with your friends. That will help me a lot to get subscribers, and like it will help them as well by getting knowledge from these videos. And also I'm trying to add a lot of content on this channel in the year 2021. So what I will be doing is, in the month of January in 2021, I will be posting daily new videos for the month of January, which will be 30 videos consecutively, and daily you will get a new content on this channel, and you can expect a lot for year 2021. And if I get really good response on these 30 videos, so what I will be doing is I will be repeating that for the next 11 months. So what it means is, like, you will be getting 365 videos for the entire year. So it depends on the response that you give on that videos, by number of views and likes, and the number of subscribers that I will gain in the month of January will decide if I will be making more videos for the entire year or not. So if you are aware of this, so please try to watch all the videos and try to show your love in the comments. And if you like that video, so please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. So it will mean a lot to me and it will help a lot to grow this channel. I've also posted some courses on Udemy, so if you're interested in that, I will leave the link for them in the description so you can check them out. I've posted a course on making a virtual AI assistant using Python. Another one is for home automation with JARVIS AI assistant, and the third one is for making projects using Python. So it contains 20 plus projects in Python. So if you're interested in that, you can check the description for the links of that course. And I think that was it for this video. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.